Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Termux and preparing basic permissions. Open Play Store or sideload the APK, then grant storage and any requested permissions so you can access files. Once done, launch Termux and run pkg update and an pkg upgrade to sync packages. You should also set a simple keyboard preference for easier input. This gets you into a real shell quickly, so you can run familiar commands like ls, cd, and pkg install without delay. You'll now configure useful tools and workflows. Use pkg install git curl nano opens to add capabilities. Make sure installations finish without errors. Then practice navigation. cd into directories and use ls-la to view hidden files, edit scripts with nano. If you need remote access, generate SSH keys with SSH keygen and copy them to servers. Once configured, test connections and file reads so you know permissions and path issues are resolved before running scripts or syncing data. You're ready to run commands and complete tasks. Make a script executable with chmod plus x script. sh then run it with /script. sh or bash script. sh watch for permission errors. If something fails, inspect path, confirm Termux setup storage ran, and check file ownership. Make small changes and retry. You'll often fix issues by adjusting permissions or reinstalling one package. If nothing works, back up your .dot files, clear Termux data, and reinstall. This reset usually clears persistent configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.